You've probably tried ceviche, but this is probably one of the most unusual ceviches you will have ever tried, but it is one of the most delicious. It is the typical ceviche of Puerto Vallarta. I have 1 pound of fresh halibut. You could use halibut, you could use snapper, any fish that is mild, and I'm cutting it into chunks, no skin, no bones. And then I have 3 medium carrots that I already peeled. I'm just coarsely chopping them just to make it easy for my food processor. You don't want to add the fish first, because if not, you're going to end up with a fish puree with big chunks of carrot, and you want an even grind in here. Now that you have the carrots just coarsely chopped, I'm gonna add the fish. So now I'm gonna pulse, but I'm gonna pulse carefully because now I have my delicate raw fish. That is perfect. So see, it's not super finely ground. And now add all of this mixture in the bowl. And now I'm gonna cover it with 1 very generous cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. This lime juice will not only flavor the mixture, but it will also cold cook it. A generous teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and a teaspoon of oregano. The oregano is so important in this ceviche. And then I'm just going to mix it, and the lime juice should be everywhere in this mixture. We're gonna let this marinate at room temperature for half an hour. If you wanna marinate it more, cover it and put it in the fridge. I'm gonna show you how to make some delicious corn tostadas. I learned how to do this in Sonora. They brush corn tortillas with water, and then they sprinkle them with salt on both sides. And then you just put it on top of your grill or your preheated comal, and the tortillas will toast and become a tostada with the salt stuck to it. So it's like flavored chips, like a flavored tostada. And you just have to have your comal over medium-low heat, and you just, whatever you're doing in your kitchen, when you see that they start to toast and they smell toasty, you flip them to the other side. It's like 5 minutes per side. I'm going to drain my ceviche. So it marinated, it soaked all of the flavor from the lime juice, but now this is not a juicy ceviche, no, it's a dry ceviche. See, you think you had all the juice, but you didn't. And you can see how it cooked. The texture transformed and the color completely changed. So to this, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of finely chopped white onion, and I'm adding 1 jalapeno, finely chopped. But now I really want to add a serrano too. That's it for this. A little bit more oregano. This Puerto Vallarta ceviche really loves oregano. This is your beachside meal in Puerto Vallarta. But you can have it home too. It is just as good as any of the ceviche stands there.